Now you don't need to memorize complex formulas of Microsoft Excel. There is a tool inside the Excel that's gonna generate any complex formula for you. You just have to explain about the condition and it will generate the formula. So let's see that how we can do this. So first we have to integrate AI inside the Microsoft Excel. So to integrate it, we have to come here in Home tab and have to click here on Add-ins. Inside add-ins, we have to click on Get Add-ins. Make sure that you are connected with the internet. So we'll click here on Get Add-ins. And here inside add-ins, I will search AI Added Formula Editor. So here is the AI Added Formula Editor. You just have to click on Add to add this inside the Excel. Click on I agree to all the above terms and condition and click on Continue. So on the right side, you can see the tab of AI Added Formula Editor. I have already signed in with my email address. You also have to sign in with your email address to use it. After signing in, you have to click on AI Generator. Inside AI Generator, you will find three sections, 1, 2, and 3. But we will work on these two sections. You have to describe your prompt or the condition inside this section, and the formula will be generated inside this section. So let's add a prompt to generate the status. So here you can see that I have added a prompt that if value from N10 to N19, here these are values from N10 row to N19th row, is greater than 50, then print pass, otherwise fail. This is an informal prompt, but let's see the results of this prompt. So we will click here on submit. So after clicking on submit, AI has generated the formula for us. So this is the formula. We want to apply this formula here in this status box. So we'll click here and then we will click this arrow. So you can see it has given us a status of pass. Now let's drag it down. So you can see the status. Those students who have gotten the marks less than 50 are failed, and those who has gotten the marks greater than 50 are pass. So this is how you can use AI Added Formula Editor. If you want to see more examples, then you can click here on examples, and here you will find different examples like return the unique value from the range A1 to A10 and average of A1 to D10. So these all are examples. I hope that the video was beneficial for you. That's all for this video.